All right, everyone. Today is March 24th, 2020. This is investingpress.com. And again, we are going to post 20 of today's top buys that were triggered by the algorithm that we use. So we have 20 buys for today and 20 sell signals. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over these 20 buys and 4 sells. And then what we're going to do is track this down over the course of the next month to see how the results would be. So we're going to get started now. So first ticker symbol is HE, which is Hawaiian Electric Industries. Next ticker symbol is ATO for Atmos Energy. Then we have FCN for FTI Consulting. GIS, General Mills. RMD for ResMed. Ticker symbol Pool for Pool Corporation. That's POOL. Booz Allen and Hamilton. That's BAH. NXRT for Next Point Residential Trust. AWK, American Waterworks Corporation. Another staple, we got PG for Procter & Gamble. AEP, American Electric Power. Casey, CASY for Casey's General Stores. And we're going to keep going. We have UDR for United Dominion Realty Trust. CPK for Chesapeake Utilities Corporation. WST for West Pharmaceuticals Corporation. I'm sorry. That's West Pharmaceutical Services. WST. XEL for Excel Energy. BKI, Black Knight Financial Services. TRMB for Trimble. TMK for Tompkins Financial Corporation. CCOI for Cogent Communications Holdings. Again, this was the 20 buy signals that we picked up today from the algorithm. There are more, but we're just going to focus on the top 20. And now we're going to go into 4 sell signals that were triggered today. Now, as you know, today was a huge day in the U.S. stock market because of the stimulus package for the coronavirus that they're trying to pass. So almost every stock was up today. But again, here are 4 stocks that triggered sells. And we're going to go with HTBX for Heat Biologics. CLSN for Celsion Corporation. DK for Delec U.S. Holdings. MYL for Mylan. These 4 stocks triggered sells based off the algorithm that we use that goes in and tracks the market. So again, what we're going to do is in a month from now, around April 24th, we're going to go back and we're going to take a look at the at these 4 sell signals and at the 20 buys that we had up here for today. All right, excuse me. So what you want to do is go to investingpress.com. We have a little box at the bottom there where you can opt in, put your email address. I'll put a link in the description. And again, this is a new channel. We're just starting out. My partner and I, we've been doing this for over 20 years combined. Actually, probably closer to 30 years combined. And we are partnering up with a algorithm service provider, and that's where we're pulling this data from. So again, when we do these highlights, this is based off of an algorithm, and we are testing its accuracy. So prior to the channel, just to give you some background information, prior to starting this YouTube channel, I backtested this for 6 months, and I saw results. I was actually surprised by the results. So now, we're going to I'm going to dedicate part of this channel to tracking this algorithm. All right. So what you want to do is go to www.investingpress.com, get on the list, so that we can start to send these out ahead of time, and you can get on the list and get these alerts. All right. Have a great day. All right, guys. Welcome back to investingpress.com, and this segment is the hot penny stocks of the day for March 26th, 2020. I'm going to go over a few the top 10 gainers in the penny stock world. All right. Again, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell any one of the securities mentioned in this segment. These are just the gainers that you could take a look at. And we're going to start right off with BURG, B-U-R-G, which is Chanticleer Holdings, ticker symbol BURG, and it opened at 40, and let's see, it was up 97% on the day, closing at 79 cents. And as you can see in after hours, it's already selling off. So, but the spike came late in the day. The volume came in late in the day. So, put this one on your watch list, okay? And for this segment, we're just going to use something simple. We're just going to use Yahoo Finance. Everybody's familiar with Yahoo Finance, so you should be familiar with this, with the interface. Next up on the list, ticker symbol is IGC for India, Globalization Capital. It opened at 39 cents today. It ran up 65%, closing at 62.4 was the last print. Again, after hours, it looks like it's selling off again. Similar type of volume late in the day. Today was it's a weird day in the market with the stimulus package being announced. So the market closed very strong, but after hours, looks like there's a lot of stocks selling off. We're going to keep moving along. Next on the list, number 3 on the list was ticker symbol MITT, AG Mortgage Investment Trust. Opened today at 282, closing at 415, up 62%. This one is going up after hours. It looks like it actually hit it high today of $6.65. So that was a nice move today. Again, this is MITT, so you might want to add this to your radar screen. And what we'll do is, like the other segment that we'll do in a month from now, April 26th, we'll go back and we'll take a look at these same stocks to see how they performed. So, moving on to the next stock for the top 10, we have ANH, ticker symbol ANH, another mortgage company. Anworth Mortgage Asset Corporation opened today at 98 cents, hitting a high of $1.44. And again, after hours, it's up after hours. Okay. Next up on the list, IDEX for Ideanomics, ticker symbol IDEX. Opened today at 66 cents, ran up to $1.06. Now it looks like it's a little flat in after hours, but the volume came in very late in the day. The spike very late in the day. So keep this one on your radar screen. Ticker symbol IDEX. Next up on the list is another financial. It's MFA Financial. Ticker symbol is MFA. Opened at 225. Ran to 290. Closed at $1.70, which was still a 49% increase. But if you look at after hours, it's up another 26% in after hours. Ticker symbol MFA. All right. Next up on the list, another mortgage company. Ticker symbol NYMT. Opened at $1.50. Closed at $1.81. But today it hit a high of $2.22. And again, after hours, it's up after hours on the 19.89%. Ticker symbol NYMT. Next up on the list, we go ticker symbol CCO for Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings. Opened at 62 cents, but it's up 46% from its previous day close of 47. Hit a high of 81. That would have been a 100% move for the day, but 46% move. It's up after hours another 4.5%. That's 73 cents. Again, that's Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings, ticker symbol CCO. Next up on the list, ticker symbol HEXO for HEXO Corp. HEXO Corp was up 41% today from yesterday's close. Hit a high of $1.14, and looks like again moving up a little bit in after hours. And I'm not sure what this company does. Let's take a quick look here. Looks like they might be a healthcare company. Last press release was 2 days ago mentioning a COVID-19. Let's see. And anyway, guys, do your own research. Ticker symbol HEXO. Next up on the list, last stock of the top 10 hot penny stocks for March 26, 2020. Ticker symbol is MMNFF. And this, you guys might be familiar with this one. This is MedMen Enterprises. And yesterday's close was 27 cents, opened at 33 cents today, ran up to almost 38 cents, closed at 37.74, up 39% on the day. Again, this is the top 10 hot penny stocks list for March 26, 2020. This is investingpress.com, www.investingpress.com. There will be a link in the description, and I'd like to see you at the website. All right, that's it. Have a great day. All right, everyone, welcome back. Today is March 26, 2020, and it was another crazy day in the market. This is investingpress.com, www.investingpress.com, and what we're going to do is we're going to do 20 winners, and actually, what I should say is we're going to do 20 buys from that were triggered today, and then we're going to do 18 sells, 18 stocks that triggered sells today. So we're going to go with the top 20, which triggered buy signals using the AI and predictive analytics tool that we use to gauge these buy and sell signals in the market. So let's get started. We have CWT for California Water Service Group. We have symbol SMH for Van Eck Vectors Semiconductor ETF. We have CLX for the Clorox Company. GIS for General Mills, which has also been on the buy list a few times this week. We have AWR for American States Water Company. Then we have symbol MXIM for Maximum Integrated Products. Then we have CLGX CoreLogic. Ticker symbol IDXX for IDEX Laboratories. Ticker symbol ELS for Equity Lifestyle Properties. And then we're going to go with SPNS for Sapiens International Corporation. As we scroll down, we have TRP, Trans Canada Corporation. Next on the list is symbol TER for Teradyne. And then we have RPM for RPM International. Next on the list is MAIN for Main Street Capital Corporation. Next on the list is HSY for Hershey Company. They're on the list again. Today they're at 132, and I'll check later to see what they were. But I know they've been on the list a few times today, a few times this week. Then we're going to go WMC for Western Asset Mortgage Capital Corporation. STOR for Store Capital Corporation. TTGT for Tech Target. CHH for Choice Hotels International. ESPR for Esperion Therapeutics. Again, that was the 20 buys, the top 20 buys that were triggered today in the market using our AI and predictive analytics stock picking tool. I'll scroll back one more time so you could pause the video as you see fit. And then what we're going to do is jump right into the 18 top sell signals for today. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. We have RES for RPC Inc. AAOI for Applied Optoelectronics Inc. CLSN for Celsion Corporation, and again that Celsius Corporation has been on the list on the sell side a few times this week. And we have CRTO for Criteo SA, or Criteo. CYH for Community Health Systems. Then we have TUP for Tupperware Brands. Again, these are all cells that were triggered today. VNDA for Amanda Pharmaceuticals. FTK for Flowtech Industries. MDRX for Allscripts Healthcare. CHS for Chico's FAS. MAG for MAG Silver Corporation. Then we're going to go GNMK for Genmark Diagnostics. Plug Power, PLUG. Fold, FOLD, Amicus Therapeutics. RYAAY for Ryanair Holdings PLC. TripAdvisor, TRIP. ERI for Eldorado Resorts. And last on the list is LXU for LSB Industries. Again, that was the 18 sell signals triggered today using the AI and predictive analytics stock picking tool that we use at investingpress.com. So go to www.investingpress.com. I'll put a link in the description. Sign up, get on our newsletter. It's 100% free. And what we're going to do is, in the next 30 days, where we're looking at April 26th, we'll be going through and doing a follow-up video on this exact video to see how those 20 buys and 18 sells would have fared for you. All right? So there's no better test than that. Basically, I'm showing you now, and then we'll check it then. And that's it for tonight. All right. Have a good night. All right, everyone. We are back with investingpress.com, and we are going to do a recap from today's buys and sells, which were triggered using the algorithm that we use to go into the market and figure out the trends, buy side, sell side, things like that. What we're going to do is we're going to do the top 20 buys and then the top 20 sells for today, which is March 25th, 2020. Again, if you want to get on our newsletter, it's totally free. Go to investingpress.com. I'm sure there's an opt-in box on there somewhere. Just put your email address in and get onto our list, and we can keep in touch that way. All right, so here we go. First one on the list, top buys, was AEP, American Electric Power Company. If you remember from yesterday's list, they were also on the buy list at around $72, I think. So right there, up $1. But again, it triggered a buy signal today from our algorithm. All right, so then we're going to go on to GPN, Global Payments. NASDAQ itself, ticker symbol NDAQ, triggered a buy signal. PDM, which is Piedmont Office Realty Trust, triggered a buy. NEE for Next Era Energy. And we're going to keep going here. We got ASTE for, let me get that back in the view here. ASTE for Aztec Industries, triggered a buy. Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. FE, First Energy Corporation. XYL for Xylem, triggered a buy. HSY for Hershey Company. We're going to go ACGL, Arch Capital Group. SPH, Suburban Propane. Cowan, COWN. ROK for Rockwell Automation. AJX for the Great Ajax Corporation. SREV, SREV for Service Source International, triggered a buy today. GIS, General Mills, they were also on the list earlier this week. IEX for IDEX Corporation. LGIH for LGI Homes. And KEY for Key Corp, triggered a buy today. What we're going to do is we're going to track these over the next month. So by April 25th, we'll go in and see how these buys would have panned out for you. Now, moving on to the sell side. These were the top 20 sells for today. Again, this was based off of an algorithm that we run in the market, and here are today's top sells, top 20. CHK, Chesapeake Energy Corporation. I can't believe this company is only 19 cents. For those of you who know Chesapeake, it's one of the falling bellwethers, I guess you could say. 19 cents, it's crazy. Ticker symbol LCI for Lannett Company, or Lannett Corporation. SRT for StarTech. ENTA for Enata Pharmaceuticals. PSTI for Pluristem Therapeutics. And we're going to go TMST for Timken Steel Corporation. BLKB for Blackbaud. EQM for EQT Midstream Partners, which is an oil and gas company, I believe. Excuse me. FSTR for LB Foster Company. Blue BLUE for Bluebird Bio. That's another drug company. GERN for Guron Corporation. That's another drug company. IRBT, iRobot, on the sell side today. GALT, GALT, Galatian Therapeutics, another drug company. LNG for Cheniere Energy. LNG, that's a natural gas company, I believe. DNR for Denbury Resources. PTC Therapeutics. ECHO, ECHO, Echo Global Logistics. BMRA for BioAmerica. UNT, Unicorporation. And last of the 20 for today, BPMC for Blueprint Medicines Corporation. Again, this is the 20 that were triggered, that our algorithm triggered buy signals. Sorry, sell signals. Let me correct myself there. That was the top 20 stocks that triggered sells. And again, the top 20 that triggered buys for today, for March 25th, 2020. And a month from now, we're going to be doing a recap video, and we're going to check the performance of each one of these to see how you would have done. Alright, so again, this is investingpress.com. You can go to our website. You can opt in for free. We're not going to email you every single day about nothing, but get in there, get access to the membership area as we're building it out. And that's all I got for you. Have a great day.